Alright, today we're going to be learning about aldehydes, and first off I'm going to show you how to name aldehydes whenever it's a relatively simple group and they are the most important. So you always have to start with the aldehyde, and they're always going to be at position 1 or position 6 if there's two of them. So you can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to name that, you're going to start 4 amino because there's an NH2 right here, 2 isopropyl because there's an isopropyl at position 2, and then pent because the longest carbon chain is 5, dash 3 because there's a double bond at 3, ENAL, so pentanol. Alright, here's another simple group. You're going to start right here with the aldehyde, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to name it, you're going to start 4, 5, dash dihydroxy because there's a hydroxy at position 4 and 5, dash 3, dash methoxy because there's a methoxy at position 3, hex because your longest carbon chain is 6, ANAL, hexanol, because there are only single bonds. Alright, here's another relatively simple aldehyde, but this one, they're not the most important. So you start here with the carboxylic acid and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and end with the aldehyde because it has to be at the end of the chain. So your longest carbon chain is 6, so that's going to be a hex. And to name this, you're going to start 2, 3, dash dihydroxy, because there's 2 hydroxys at 2 and 3, dash 4, dash oxo, because there's an oxo or a ketone at position 4, hex, because it's 6, and, because there's only single bonds, al, because there's a aldehyde right there, and then oic acid, because of the carboxylic acid. Here's another example where it's not the most important, but it is relatively simple. So, you're going to start right here with another carboxylic acid, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right here is an aldehyde at position 4 and a carboxylic acid at position 1. And then isopropyl at position 2. Alright, so ethoxy right here as well. So 3-ethoxy, dash 2 isopropyl, bute because it's 4, and because it's only single bonds, al because of the aldehyde at position 4, oic acid because of the carboxylic acid. Alright, here's another aldehyde, but this one is complex. So you're going to start right here with the aldehyde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at position 6 you have yet another aldehyde. So to name this, you're going to start 5 sec-butyl because there's a sec-butyl at position 5, 3 ethoxy because there's an ethoxy at position 3, 4 hydroxy, hydroxy at 4, 2 oxo, ketone at 2, 5 methyl paired with that sec-butyl, and then it's 6, so it's hex dash 3 dash N because of the double bond at position 3, diol because there is 2 aldehydes. And this is the last example, another complex one. Start right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with that aldehyde. Make sure you start with that if there's no other carboxylic acid. To name it, start 3 tert-butyl, tert-butyl at 3, 2 ethyl, ethyl right there, 5, 6 dash dihydroxy because there's 2 hydroxys at 5 and 6, 4 propoxy because that's at position 4, hex because the longest chain is 6, dash 3, 5 because, and then diene because there's 2 double bonds at 3 and 5, and then all because there's 1 aldehyde.